Hey guys, what's up? Best Chow here. You might hear a Windows sound in a minute. I've just booted up my computer. But yes, we have got an unboxing to do. What is this? They're fucking tiny, man. These are obviously not for the actual bus, but they're helping for it. What the? Fucking hell, man! They're fucking tiny. Oh shit. Man, that's some gold. Yeah, I think you heard my computer boot. Yes, it's an outdated operating system. Windows 7. Windows 10 is a bag of dog shit and never upgraded. Now, I'll only show you one of the stickers, his front. And there's that. Obviously, I'm not doing a code-free model. And obviously, I'm not going to stick these to my actual Stratford blue bus. But what my dad is thinking of doing is taking this to someone, don't know who yet, and trying to make up the actual size for the bus from these somehow. Because it is like the exact logo. But I do love the shine on them. Look at that. If you can see it, that's quite cool. So yeah, I think that's the last of the packaging. So yeah. I'll get the thumbnail in a minute. I'll just drop this in. Ah, fucking tiny. I didn't realise they're going to be that small. Doesn't matter though. I'll still keep them anyways once we've used them. Well, we're not using them, but you know what I mean. Once we've done the test and got the big logo. Because we need it for the side and... Oh yeah, we need the advert as well. Something about flowers or something. And we need it one for the back and the side if I didn't mention it. Also need a new engine for that bus. And a whole new, well not new chassis, but maybe a new chassis, I don't know. We'll have to fix it or try to. And we also got to fix the body, obviously. I don't know, well the floor does count as a body. And we also got to get all of its new windows put in. So yeah, the GUE 247. Oh yeah, we got to get a new number plate for the back. Because, yeah. But obviously I'll keep the original letterings. I'll try and replace them so they're exactly like the original. But I'll still keep the ones that are left on there, but maybe just put them in the shelf, on my shelf, like I did my other bits and pieces. For example, yes, a starter motor, I kept that. And yeah, luckily it still had its steering wheel in it. And yeah, the floor's missing. It's still got some chairs in it as well. But that's all part of the fun, really. So yeah, obviously before GUE 247 is, we start work on R5 before that. Because we're doing them in order. So we do R4 first, which we are. Then R5, and then GUE. And then whatever other bus or vehicle I decide to get in the future. So yeah, let's get the thumbnail now, peeps. So thank you guys for watching and peace out.